Hello, my lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. I have a confession to make. I have been natural on and off for 10 years and I have never used a head wrap. I've never done one. I've always admired them. They're so beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's incredible how much I really want to try them, but I just have never done that. So I went online at your suggestion and I took a look at a bunch of different websites that had all of these beautiful fabrics, jersey fabrics, cotton fabrics, knit, like I don't know if it was knit, but I saw a lot and I wanted to invest. And then I took a step back and said, you know what? I don't even know if I like them on me. So I took my little behind down to Joanne Fabrics and got me some simple cloth. Here we go. Okay, so here's the thing, guys. I was gonna go and buy some head wraps like from online, right? And I was like, okay, it's okay, I'll support some businesses. But then I thought, I live so close to a Joanne Fabrics. What if I just choose the fabrics that I want and make it myself? I just thought it'd be more fun, you know? So let's see what I can find. So part of me wants to just keep it safe and go with, ooh, this is a pretty color though, I'm not gonna lie. This might be a nice green, but really, I like, I really like this one, honestly. Camera's not doing it justice. It's a nice green. I really like this red. And I kind of like this green for the holidays. So these look a little more blue on camera, but I definitely love this red. Honestly, I think I really like this. I was gonna go simple, but I don't know. These are like okay. I kind of wanted to get something completely different, but I'm really feeling these fabrics. I just want to shout out my shoes today. Let's get in some good lighting. Shout out to the shoes. Just saying. I got these two fabrics. Yes, I did go with holiday colors. But you know, if I wear them independently, it doesn't matter. No one knows. So I think I want to start out with this red color because you guys, I am loving it. You know how I love red, especially since my hair was just red. I can't wait to go back, y'all. I think I got 3 yards of fabric, and what I'm gonna do is look at some Instagram reels of other people doing head wraps, and I'm gonna see if I can do them myself. Like, can I pull it off? I don't know, but I'm gonna try, and I hope I have everything I need here because we're just gonna see. So we're gonna start off with Abby curls. Okay, we both were rocking. We both got our twists. Oh, she's doing her edges. Oh, she's got a whole second scarf. Okay, so she has like a satin scarf underneath, and then she had put this other scarf. Oh, and she's wrapping it around her bun. Oh, that's cute, and it looks cute with her little laid edges. All right, Abby, I'm gonna give it a try. My hair is damp right now. I just washed it. I've got to do some other things, but I don't feel like doing my hair today, which is perfect, you know? Let's go ahead and, ooh, oh, this is cold water, very, very cold. Whew, all right. I'm gonna spray them down a little bit. I'm gonna use this. It's by Eden Body Works Control Edge Glaze. Honestly, look at them edges though. They're growing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my satin sleeping scarf and I'm gonna tie it around my head just like Miss Abby girl. She went around like this and I think she tied it. I think her scarf is longer than mine, but you know what, it's fine. think she did a little something like this. Okay. Okay, we did that. We got through it. Okay, and her next step was the scarf step. And I feel like her scarf is smaller than mine, but okay, it looks like she crossed and then she twisted. Cross, and then we're just gonna twist, twist. We're just gonna twist. We're gonna twist. Okay. And then she literally just wrapped it. Ooh, I feel like I should wrap this way. Oh, yeah. Now I see why people use thinner fabrics. Oh, this is too tight. Oh. Hold on. I gotta do this again and give myself some room. I got a big head. All right, hold on. Hold on. Come on. You got this. This is not rocket science. This is easy. You know, it's like, it's good. You're good. You're good. Okay. Okay. Whew. Okay. And then I feel like mine is not turning out the way hers is. Hold on. See, no. Why are you coming up? I think this is why people want like preferred jersey fabric. Oh. See, why y'all didn't tell me when I was showing y'all on Insta stories that I'm getting the pro fabric? I need the jersey fabric. Okay, but then what do I do with the end? Like, do I like, how come mine is not tucking? I feel like she had more fabric or something. Hold on. Abby, help me out. See. Don't get mad. Get glad. Get glad so I can take a trash bag and throw this away. Like a fraud. Like, is this even good? I feel like Abby gave a wonderful tutorial and I just feel like, wait, hold on. Abby has a little bit more hair out in the front. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I just need to fix my positioning. You know, oh, what happened to this edge? I'm gonna try again. Okay, you know what? This one, I think it's the fabric. I tried, I thought I was doing well, and then it just flopped. I feel like if I were to give myself some more practice, maybe I could do a little style with it or something, you know? Okay, so far, we have me, 0, and head wrap, 1, because the head wrap is winning on me. We're gonna try 3 different things. So number 2, we're gonna give a cool, calm, curly a try. Maybe she has something that will work with this fabric. Okay, first style looks pretty easy. I'm gonna try it. Cool, calm, curly. I feel like I can handle this, right? I feel like even though we're using different fabrics, this one, it should be able to handle it. So let's see. Okay, there's a little hiccup right here, but like overall, I feel like I nailed it. I feel like, okay, I feel like I can fix this part a little bit or maybe even out the sides, but I did it. I feel like it looks, I like hers a little better with the thinner fabric, but you know, this is a look. This is a look, okay? Yeah,
Do you guys think I nailed it? I feel like I should give myself a point, right? So now it's 1-1. Comment below and let me know if you agree with that, right? I did it. I did it. I did it. All right, let's try the next one. So next, I'm gonna try the green scarf, and we are gonna look at G Sterl. Come through, diva. Okay. Child, my camera cut off, and I decided to take that moment and put me on a little red lipstick because I was inspired by that melanated beauty. Let me just tell you. So I have pre-wrapped some red scarf, and I'm going to be using the green scarf. However, my instincts are telling me that because she has really short hair and I have a good amount of hair, I can just use my hair instead of using this and see how it turns out. So I'm just gonna give it a try. And then maybe use like this satin scarf to give it a little more and like smooth down those twists a little bit. Okay, so far so good. And now we're gonna try the headscarf. I'm not liking like how tight this is looking. Hold on, let me loosen it up. Okay, you know what? No, I'm not giving up. I'm gonna try this again. Hold on. I feel like it's almost there, but not quite. I feel like I just need to practice some more. I don't know, do you guys feel like I won or I didn't? I literally feel like this might be a draw because the style is almost there. Like, it's just not, the shape is not there. You see, hold on. And I'm just gonna reveal something to you guys. My camera stopped, and the first time I did it was the best. And now I can't get it right again. You guys, it looks so good, and you guys never got a chance to see it. Oh my gosh, so you know what? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's fine. I feel like I can say that I won 2-1. I think that's fair. Comment down below and let me know if this is a yes or a no. No, see, no, I had to come back on because I tried it again. I think I got it, hold on. I did it. I think it looks really good. Okay. I think I won now. I won. All right. I am still looking for Instagram reel, TikTok videos, hairstyles to try. Send them to my Instagram at Latoya_Ebony. Check out my last TikTok video, and then I'm just gonna link my playlist. Like, I feel like this is a vibe, but not 100%. I feel like I'm 90% there. So I'm just gonna try it again, and yeah, I'll see y'all in a couple days. This was supposed to be easy. Bye. Mwah.